Welcome! This video is going to show you how to create a connection between the Maralytics platform and Kounta by Lightspeed point of sale aka POS system. To transfer a sales transaction from a campaign between the Kounta by Lightspeed POS system and the Maralytics platform, a connection is required. Firstly, you will need to create a campaign before you set up the connection, as this is needed to track the sales between Kounta by Lightspeed, POS, and the Maralytics platform. On the left-hand side, click on Campaign, then click Create Campaign. Here, you will add your campaign name, the campaign type, as well as the start and end date for this campaign. If you have any notes to add, you can add them in here. Then click on Create. This will then come up with your unique campaign ID to write down so that you can use it throughout the remainder of the steps in this connection process. Once you have done so, click on the X on the top right hand corner. This will now bring up your new cost page, in which you will click the drop down box under cost type, add what is applicable. This is a one-time, and the payment date in which it will commence, the cost value of this particular campaign. Also in the notes section, be sure to add your campaign ID and also the expiry of this particular campaign. Once this is complete, click Add and Close. And now it will ask you to put in the type of POS you are connecting to. In this case, we are connecting to Kounta by Lightspeed, and also the campaign name is our Facebook ads. You can add multiple different campaigns under here if you are connecting it all at the one time under Kounta by Lightspeed. But in this particular situation, we are only adding the one campaign for this period of time. And to remove them, you can just click the X and click outside the box to remove the drop-down options, then click Create. This will then connect you to your POS. Here it is asking for your authorization in Maralytics to connect to your Kounta by Lightspeed. All you need to do here is click Grant Access. This will link back to the Maralytics platform and show the below with your connection between Kounta by Lightspeed and Maralytics with your unique campaign ID, your campaign name, and it is important to note the connection status and the status both reflecting true. This is to show the connection to be effective, and if you are going to be creating more campaigns in the future, then you will need to delete the existing connection and start this process again with all of the campaigns that you will run in a current period of time. The transfer of sales transactions will only be for the campaigns that are listed on the current connection, so it is always good to check which campaigns can be actively tracked. You are now all set up in creating the connection between your Kounta by Lightspeed and your Maralytics platform. All of your campaign data will now be transferred between the two platforms. Happy marketing!